In this video, I'll show you how to download the Firefox browser on a laptop. Before we start, if you want to safely browse and avoid any potential risks while downloading software from the internet, I recommend using NordVPN. It keeps your connection private and encrypted, protecting your data on public Wi-Fi or unsecured networks. You can use the link in the description to try it risk-free at a great price. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. Type in Mozilla Firefox and look for the official website, which is mozilla.org. Always make sure you're clicking the official link to avoid any unsafe downloads. Once you're on the Firefox site, you'll see the Download Firefox button. Before clicking it, you'll have the option to set Firefox as your default browser. If you want to use Firefox as your main browser, check the box, otherwise, leave it unchecked and click Download Firefox. Your download will start, and once it's complete, open the installer file. A security prompt might appear, asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes or Run to continue. The installer will launch, and you'll see a Welcome to Firefox screen. Click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be asked if you want to import bookmarks, passwords, or other settings from a previous browser. You can choose to import them or skip this step by clicking Skip this step. You can also customize Firefox further if you want, or simply click Start Browsing to complete the setup. After a few moments, Firefox will open to its home screen, and your browser is now ready to use. Remember, using NordVPN while browsing ensures that your downloads and online activity remain private and secure. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN risk-free for a great price.